Okay, in this example, we're looking at a directory stream object. A directory stream is an object that lets you loop through the contents of one directory only. So after this, we'll be looking at an object that allows you to iterate into a directory and into its subdirectories. But a directory stream only lets you iterate or loop through one directory. So I have here a path created here, and I have it to get the path to just an empty string there, would just be the current directory. And then I have using try resources, because it'll automatically close the stream when it's finished, I'm declaring a directory stream that will look at path objects. The right hand side here, files.new directory stream. It links up to my current directory where these files are, and it returns a stream that will loop through each item in that directory and refer to each one as a path type. So when I have this object, this stream, that contains, it's kind of like an array or collection of path objects, and I can loop through that stream. So here's my for loop to loop through the stream, and I'm just going to cut all of that out there for a second, just so you can see what happens here. So I'm looping through the stream, and if I just print out the contents there and execute that, you can see it just prints out the contents of the folder. So project files, if there's text files, bin, and so on. Now, what I added in there, that I've just cut out, I just added in a little bit more code. If the path is a directory, well then I'm just sticking dir in front of it. If it's a regular file, I'm putting file in front of it. And if it's something else, thankfully there is nothing else because I'm not quite sure what that would be, it would print out other. So what I've done there is I've just have a little check to see what the file is, and I've just either put there that it's a file or directory in front of it. Now there's one other thing that you can do up here, so the home directory, I'm just going to paste that in. Oh, sorry. I had a copy, but anyway, we'll go again. You can pass in what's called a glob. We'll look at this a bit more in the next one. Star.txt. It's kind of like a regular expression, but it's not. But that'll be covered in the next example. So star.txt, it's going to give me back a stream that references any files that basically have any characters at all, followed by .txt. And what that will do, if I run that, it'll only give me back their files that end in .txt. And if you wanted to as well, you could print out to absolute path. But what that will do then is it will, on that, it will obviously give back the full path there of each one of those. So we'll just keep that neat. So that is an example there of using the directory stream, which will allow you to loop through the contents of one directory only. And that's it. I'll just fix this here. Oops. Yeah. Okay, that's that one.